Imagine living in a resort-style community. Layton Lakes here in Gilbert, Arizona has real lakes, streams, waterfalls, and so much more. Come check it out. Step inside to a bright, open living space filled with natural light. The dining area flows seamlessly into the kitchen, featuring quartz countertops, new appliances, and abundant cabinetry, perfect for everyday living and entertaining. The primary suite offers a private retreat with a walk-in closet and an updated ensuite bath, complete with a double shower. This home blends comfort, style, and location, offering an exceptional opportunity to enjoy the Gilbert lifestyle. Come experience the charm of a community as well as the convenience of a city here in Layton Lakes.